Alright, picking up where we left off. It's still in the trailer. It's lifted up a little bit now. I got it blocked and jack stands and strapped down against the jack stands so it stays secure. I guess the main goal here is to get this thing rolling off the trailer so it can free up my trailer. Now, I got this years ago from a wrecking yard that's not in business anymore. It's got an E6 code on it. That makes it D6 code on it. Best I can come up with, it came out of a Maverick. It's got the same leaf spring span. It's missing the brakes, but it will roll if I can get it under here. Front leaf springs, perch, bushings, 3/4 inch socket wrench, 3/4 inch box end wrench, back it up. I had it soaking for about a week in some WD-40. Got the other one off over there too. I think they've been changed before. That's probably why I didn't have as much difficulty. On the back, it's 9/16. You just take the nuts off, take the, I'm gonna call it a dog bone, I don't know, a little shackle between them, and the leaf spring, the other side of it just pulls out and the leaf drops. So all four corners are off. I've got my rear end in place. I got my leaf springs. I'll bring them over here, get them underneath there and get them ready to go on there. Goal here is just to get this thing rolling so I can get it off my trailer. I've got things to do with it, and we'll assemble it as it's rolling instead of on the trailer. Stay tuned.